Hello everyone, welcome to this vlog. Today we are going to explore the delicious world of churros in Amsterdam. Churros are popular Spanish pastry made of fried dough, often served with chocolate sauce or other topping like cream, sugar. So join us as we visit some of the best churros shops in Amsterdam. So this is one of the best churros shop in Amsterdam. First of all, we have to book to the app. Also we can select topping as per our choice. When our number comes, they will call us. Here they made churros freshly. The chef is hard at work, carefully piping the dough into long and curly shapes before dropping them into the hot oil. The outside is crispy and golden, while the inside is soft. The cinnamon and sugar blend perfectly with the warm dough, making for an explosion of flavor in our mouth. Every bite, we are enjoying the texture and flavor of this classic churros. Hopefully, you will like my video. See you all in my next video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.